Pleasant good morning to you, my dear teachers and dear students. I hope all of you are keeping well and preparing yourself mentally in order to prepare for the forthcoming examinations, and you are all well prepared to do your best in everything, in academics, in sports, in co-curricular activities. I congratulate our dear teachers and the students who are taking part in different activities of the school. Though things are going on virtually, your contribution in every activity is appreciated. The efforts and the willingness that all of you show, my dear children, is commendable. And you, dear teachers, your commitment to the task is really appreciated. And today I congratulate all of you, dear children, who have taken part in preparing this day, a special one, through your exercises, through different drills. You have put in a lot of effort. It shows your interest in keeping yourself healthy and contented. When we celebrate National Sports Day, it is a reminder that we need to take time for ourselves. Out from our work, out from our learning, one needs to find time for keeping oneself fit and healthy. Now, sports events generally create in students the spirit of leadership, cooperation, and enable you to work with a lot of concentration. One improves the ability to learn and to have that stimulus in oneself in order to become more, or remain energetic and enthusiastic. A lethargic body does not give out much, but a body which is active, which is energetic, which stands ever ready to do any type of exercises is leading to mental growth as well. So, my dear children, we know the sports events and in the field, in sports field, the people who stand as stars. Some of you are really going after sports personals and you have a lot of interest in going for games. It is highly appreciated. Continue to do that, and on this day when we are celebrating in the school the National Sports Day, though it is on 29th of this month, we remember all this today in order to appreciate all those who are in this field, and also as a school we encourage our students to take part in various events and make use of the opportunity not only for your academic excellence but in sports field as well. I know many of you bring laurels to the school through participating in various events, and continue to do your best and keep yourself healthy and happy. And find time, dear children, at least half an hour a day to have some outdoor games, to do some physical exercises so that you can keep yourself fit. That's why we have also the launching of Fit India campaign. So we all Indians must be fit. That is the reminder. And so as young children, keep yourself healthy and avoid sitting in the room, that I mean inside the door, the closed doors, and then spending lot of time with the mobile. Instead, you find an opportunity, even if you have a little space to walk around the house, find yourself comfortable to do little outdoor games, little exercise in the field or in the outdoor. If you have neighbors who are good friends, you join with them, form your own group and find time to play. As long as you don't come to school, I cannot tell that you come to school and play, but I encourage all of you, dear children, make a point to keep yourself healthy so that your health brings you a lot of happiness, and that happiness leads you to be more creative and more intelligent. Actually, when we are able to concentrate on a particular thing, you are able to sharpen your creativity as well. So grow all of you towards that healthy living. I wish all of you all the best, my dear students and teachers. Let us keep ourselves healthy so that, and so we find time for our own being. Remaining healthy doesn't mean that we eat good food and then remain inside. No, we take healthy food and then we also do exercise in order to keep our being fit. Wish you all the best and keep growing and keep doing well as Fatimans. Here I also would like to remind you, dear children, now the schools are open. I wish as many of you as possible, if your health permits, come to school and make the learning much more enjoyable one. Let us not get into closed doors. Okay, we are already within the four walls of our own homes. Now when it is time to break this chain, let us break and build a place wherein you find joy and comfort. I also wish you that wherever you are, you remain people who are committed to, okay, whatever the task given. If it is your learning, do your learning. If you are playing, do play. If you are praying, pray. So give your 100% to whatever you are doing. This is my wish and pray for you, dear children. Once again, I wish you all a blessed day. Remain happy and healthy. May God bless us all. Thank you.
A very pleasant and healthy morning to our Principal, Reverend Sister Flavie David, Vice Principal, Reverend Sister Arogya, our sportive colleagues, and the most lovable children. As we are celebrating National Sports Day, aimed at spreading awareness about the importance of physical and sports in our life. On this special occasion, firstly, I pay homage to late Mr. Milkha Singh, who is remembered as Flying Sikh. I also would like to salute all sports persons who had put their best foot forward during recent Olympics. Now I am going to speak few lines to encourage the students for the sports. Dear children, you dream, you plan, you reach. There will be obstacles, there will be doubters, there will be mistakes. But with hard work, with belief, with confidence and trust in yourself and those around you, there are no limits. So never give up, never give in. And when the upper hand is ours, may we have the ability to handle the wind with the dignity that we observe the laws. Dear students, sports is very important activity for all of you. It's one activity which can help you to develop multiple qualities like sense of togetherness, leadership skills, physical strength, speed, stamina, planning and strategy. The qualities which help you to excel in life. National Sports Day is not only tribute to one of the greatest in the game, it also reminds us the importance of sports in our life. Because life is incomplete without sports. It's the time to refresh our time. So participate in sports as much as you can. Let's make the sports part of our daily diet and celebrate the good times. A healthy and happy National Sports Day to one and all. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. Today, I, Vanshika Mahajan, sports captain of the school, is here to enlighten you all on the occasion of Sports Day. The National Sports Day in India is celebrated on 29th August. This day marks the birthday of Major Dhyan Chand Singh, the hockey player who won medals in Olympics for India. He scored 570 goals in his career. There is no one who has reached this level in hockey. Through sports, there is a great balance of physical and mental growth. Sports help us to maintain our overall fitness. They help to control diabetes, manage weight, enhance blood circulation and manage level of stress. Sports do not only contribute to physical health but also enhances social and personality development. They help in enhancing leadership skills and in improving capacity for goal setting and character building. A student who is active in sports will naturally have greater self-esteem, improved social interaction and has more positive outlook in life. Sports activities make children acquire ethics, values, responsibilities, discipline, and sense of confidence and trust. Sports also help to build a good health status of the citizens of the country. Good health contributes to high standards of living. Being the sports captain of the school, I want you all to understand the importance of sports because sports is one of the most beneficial activities which you all must pursue in your lives. Thank you.
Go! Attention! Be ready for the exercise.
Sports do not build a character, they reveal it. Rightly said by John Wooden. A very serene and tranquil morning to all. Today I, Tavgun Kaur, sports captain of St. Joseph House, is here to enlighten you all on the occasion of National Sports Day. Every year on August 29th, National Sports Day is observed around the country to commemorate the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. Hockey always has a special place among the Indians. He remains a legendary figure in Indian and world hockey and is worldwide known as the Wizard of Hockey. This year, India capped off its best ever performance in the Olympics with a haul of 7 medals, including a gold. Javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra became only the second Indian to win an individual gold in the Olympics. India finally had its first track and field medal winner. The 23-year-old boy from Haryana's Panipat district gave Indian athletics its greatest moment on the world's biggest sporting stage. Mirabai Channu, weightlifter from Manipur, lifted the spirits of the entire nation as she ended a 21-year wait for a medal in weightlifting, clinching a silver medal in the 49 kg category to open India's account on the very first day of competitions. Ravi Dahiya, the 23-year grappler of Haryana, stormed to the final of the men's 57 kg freestyle event without any fuss. Although he fetched a silver, his immense strength and stamina along with technical powers impressed one and all. PV Sindhu, men's hockey team, Lovelina Borgohain and Bajrang Punia secured a bronze medal at the Tokyo Olympics 2020. The Olympic Games Tokyo 2020 concluded as the most successful in India's 120-year history of competition. These champions have travelled far and wide to make it happen. Sports is any activity that requires psychophysical effort on the part of those who carry it out and also has a recreational intent. Sports can bring a bunch of benefits, including general health, together with blood circulation and overall stamina improvement for all. Sports develop people's physical, social and organizational skills which are beneficial in personal and professional life and must always be obtained. In the end, I would like to say that खेल और आराम में से करो खेल का चुनाव. खेलों द्वारा विकसित होता है शरीर तथा स्वास्थ्य पर पड़ता है इसका अच्छा प्रभाव. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे
sleep like a child, and win like a champion. Happy National Sports Day. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Let's make sports part of our daily diet. A healthy and happy National Sports Day to one and all. Thank you.
पिघला दे जंजीरें बना उनकी शमशीरें कर हर मैदान फतेह ओ बंदिया कर हर मैदान फतेह घायल परिंदा है तू दिखला दे जिंदा है तू, बाकी है तुझ में हौसला। तेरे जुनू के आगे अंबर पनाहे मांगे, कर डाले तू जो फैसला।
रूठी तकदीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह।
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह।
इन गर्दिशों के बादलों पे चढ़ के, वक्त का गिरेबा पकड़ के, पूछना है जीत का पता, जीत का पता।
इन मुट्ठियों में चांद तारे भर के, आसमां की हद से गुजर के, हो जा तू भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा। कहने को सर्रा है तू, लोहे का छर्रा है तू, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो।
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह।
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह। तेरी कोशिशें ही कामयाब होंगी, जब तेरी ये जिद आग होगी, फूंक देंगी ना उम्मीदियां, ना उम्मीदियां। तेरे पीछे पीछे रास्ते ये चल के, बाहों के निशानों में ढल के, ढूंढ लेंगे अपना आशियां, अपना आशियां, अपना आशियां। लम्हों से आंख मिला के, रख दे जी जान लड़ा के, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह।
कर हर